Hey guys! In today's video, we will talk about Android 10 secrets. Here are the best Google features you didn't know. Android 10 launched for Pixels back in September and has since been rolling gradually to devices from other manufacturers. The new operating system features a host of headline additions such as dark mode, souped-up notifications and enhanced security. But Android 10 also includes some hidden features about which you probably didn't know. Android 10 launched on September 3rd for the Essential Phone and Pixel smartphones. New versions of Android often launch simultaneously on all computers. Third-party vendors including OnePlus, Huawei, and Samsung have been working very hard to add Google's latest Android 10 to their devices as quickly as possible. They add their customized UI on top of Google's operating system to give it a distinct look and feel. But generally, all Android features are similar over all the devices. All Android handsets issued to Android 10 have been equipped with a large number of Google's new apps so far. Of course, everyone already knows about the major updates, such dark mode, new gestures, and notification smart reply. Check out the list of the hidden features you probably didn't know about. Android 10 Silent Notifications feature. With Android 9's, silent notifications have been introduced, but Android 10 makes them even easier to enable. To silence a notification in Android 10, all you need to do is hold on to any alert you've received and a list of options will welcome you. The operating system will allow you to silence the warning or completely turn off the warnings. Silencing an alert means your notification tray will still appear, but it won't vibrate your phone or make a noise. The app is perfect for warnings that aren't urgent. Let's talk about another Android 10 hidden feature, and that is better music notifications function. Android 10's biggest notification change comes with something that Google calls Smart Reply that places contextual reminders in notifications. This means that if an address is sent, a button will appear in the notification that allows you to easily display its location on Google Maps. There are a number of further delicate adjustments to notifications. Of these, the most significant feature is the ability inside your notification tray to check for music. You will see an indicator below the play, pause and track skipping buttons while streaming music on platforms like SoundCloud that will indicate your progress through an album. This is not just a screen, you can use it to skip a track forward or rewind it. Let's talk about another Android 10 hidden feature, and that is battery status feature. iOS also displays the battery percentage of a handset and provides the Settings app with in-depth usage statistics. Yet Android 10 gives users a fast, quick peek as long as their computer is actually going to last on their current charge. Swiping down the notification tray will provide an indicator next to the battery symbol at the top of the display, which will provide an indication of when the system runs out of juice based on current usage. Battery saver feature. Android 10 doesn't just let you know when your battery will run out of charge at a glance, it can also help you preserve juice for longer. Heading to your device's battery saver setting and heading to the Schedule tab will reveal a new option called Based on Your Routine. Ultimately, if your phone doesn't think it will last until you usually charge it at night, this will automatically switch to battery saver mode. Let's talk about another Android 10 hidden feature, and that is reduce animations for faster feeling performance. Through animations to run faster. This is by no means a new Android feature, but it's one that you probably haven't heard about and definitely worth exploring. Your phone has a hidden menu that will make you feel noticeably faster in rising animations on your screen. First of all, you need to allow developer options on your smartphone to minimize animations. These settings are enabled by tapping 7 times on your phone's build number. It's easy to find the build number of your cell. Go to Settings, then scroll right to the bottom of the phone and tap the Build Number tab. Once developer settings are unlocked, head into the secret menu and scroll just over halfway down the page where toggles related to animations are available. You should see 3 options that will need to be changed to give your phone a speed boost. They are listed as Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, Animator Duration Scale. If you change them in advance, you will set each one to 1x. Changing each to 0.5x, however, will make your device feel much faster. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.